Hello students, welcome to the new video. So in today's video, we are going to solve example 3 of chapter number 1, number systems, which is on page number 7. So let us start the questions. So the question is, we have to locate root 2 on the number line. We have to locate root 2 on the number line. As you can see here, I have already uh, drawn the number line, and on this number line, can we locate root 2 directly? No, we cannot locate root 2. We can locate 0, we can locate 1, we can locate 2, we can locate 3, but not root, under root of 2, we cannot locate. So for that, there is a method, there is a specific method that we have to solve. So that we are going to see in this video. So let us start it. Okay, so what we are going to do, first of all, we will take some steps. Okay, so the very first step is to draw a right angle triangle and take some units. We will draw a right angle triangle. So how we are going to draw a right angle triangle? So here we will take 1 unit. How much unit we will take? We will take 1 unit from here. See, I'm going to take 1 unit. I'm going to take 1 unit. And what is 1 unit? Here we will take 1 unit is equals to 2 centimeter. We will take 1 unit equals to 2 centimeter. So this is nothing but 2 centimeter. This is OA. OA is nothing but 2 centimeter. Now, perpendicular to this means 90 degree. Perpendicular to this means 90 degree. We will draw one more line. We will draw one more line, which is also same as 1 unit. Which is also same as 1 unit. That means this is also 1 unit and this is also 1. Let us say this point as B. Let us say this point as B. So this is also 1 unit and this is also 1 unit. And let us join these points. Let us join these points. OB. Can we calculate OB? No, we cannot calculate OB directly. And this is 90 degree. How can we calculate OB? So we can calculate this line OB by a theorem. The theorem name is Pythagoras theorem. The theorem name is Pythagoras theorem. Now, what does this Pythagoras theorem says? The Pythagoras theorem says that the square of the longest side, which is the longest side here? As you can see clearly, OB is the longest side. So, the square of the longest side, is equal to the summation of squares of other two sides. Which are the other two sides in this triangle OAB? The other two sides are OA and OB. That means the sum of the longest side, which is OB, is equals to the square of the longest side is equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So one side is OA, so the square of OA, and the other side is AB, so the square of AB. Now we have to find OB here now, but we know what is OA. OA is nothing but 1. OA is nothing but 1. We have to take a square. AB is also nothing but 1 unit. So again we will take a square of that. Let us say OB square here. Okay, again OB square is equals to, what is 1 square? 1 square is 1, and again 1 square is 1. Now as you can see, 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now here is OB whole square. If we want to write OB and if we want to cut it off this square, then this square will go here. The square will go here. So it will be square root. If the square goes from here to the other side, it will be square root. It will be square root. So what is OB? OB is nothing but root 2. OB is nothing but root 2. So from here, what we have concluded, so in order to locate in order to locate root 2 on the number line, we have to take 1 unit, we have to take a line of 1 unit, and we have to draw another perpendicular line of 1 unit. Then we can locate root 2. Now let us locate it on the number line. Okay, as we have written here, 1 unit is equals to 2 centimeter. So what is OA? OA is 1 unit. So here we will take OA as 2 centimeter, because 1 unit is equals to 2 centimeter. So let us start from 0. So this is 1 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter. So this is nothing but our OA. This is nothing but our OA. So this is O and this is A. This is nothing but 1 unit. This is nothing but 1 unit. Now we have to draw the replica of this. You have to draw the replica of this. Now AB is the perpendicular means 90 degree, and we will draw it with the help of protractor. So we will keep the center at A, we'll keep the center at A, and we will take 90 degree. And same here also we have to take 1 unit. We have to take 1 unit. And what is 1 unit? 1 unit is nothing but 2 centimeter. 1 unit is nothing but 2 centimeter. 1 unit is nothing but 2 centimeter. So let us draw 2 centimeter. So this is also nothing but 2 centimeter. This is also as 2 centimeter. This is point B and this is also point B. Now what we have to do? Now we have to connect this O and B. We have to draw this O and B. This was 1 unit and OB is nothing but root 2. OB is nothing but root 2. But is this root 2 on the number line? No, the root 2 is not on the number line. How we can put root 2 on the number line? We can put root 2 with the help of this compass. Now let us open the compass. We have to point one of the side. We have to point the pointer towards O. We have to put one pointer towards O, and the second pointer, that is the pencil side, towards B, where we have to put towards B here. Okay, second side will be here. Okay, this is what, and what we have to do, we have to join this. Okay, we have to join like this, or else we can join directly this. And what we have to do, we have to go up till this line. We have to go up till this number line. Okay, let me do it one more time for you so that you will clearly understand. Okay, the first point will be on O and the second point will be on B, and then you have to connect like this. Okay, and then you have to connect like this. Okay, here as you can see. Okay, so this point on the number line, the point where it touches on the number line, it is nothing but our root 2. It is nothing but our root 2. So this is how we have locate root 2 on the number line. Okay, let us revise this question one more time. How we can locate root 2? We have to just, first of all, we have to make a dummy question. We have to make a dummy solution. So we will take 1 unit and we will do another perpendicular of 1 unit, and then we will join. So 1 and 1. How we can locate root 2? So we can do it by a formula. That theorem is called Pythagoras theorem. What does Pythagoras theorem says? The square of the longest side. Which was the longest side here? OB was the longest side. So the square of the longest side, that is OB, is equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Which are the other two sides? OB and AB. So the square, OA and AB. So the square of OA and square of AB. Now OA was 1 and AB was also 1. So OA is 1 and AB is 1. So 1 square is 1 and 1 square is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Now OB square, here it was OB square. Now if we want to cut it off this square, and it will go towards the right hand side. It will be square root. So if we add 1 and 1, we can get root 2, and the same we have replicate it here. Now as we know, we have considered 1 unit as 2 centimeter. You can take 1 unit as 1 centimeter also, you can take 1 unit as 2 also, 3 also, 4 also. Why I didn't took 1 centimeter? I didn't took 1 centimeter because if we would have taken 1 centimeter, then this figure would be very small. Okay, and therefore I recommend it to you to take 2 centimeter, so that it will be little bit zoom out, so that the you can also watch it and the examiner also can watch it clearly. So we have taken OA as 1 unit. 1 unit was equals to 2 centimeter. Now perpendicular to that. Perpendicular means 90 degree. And how we will draw this? We will draw this with the help of protractor. So like this, we will put a protractor and we will draw one more line. This is also AB is also equals to 1 unit, which is 2 centimeter. And we will join this OA. We will join this OA, and OA becomes root 2. Now still root 2 was not on the number line. We had to locate root 2 on this number line. So what? So how we can do this? We can do this with the help of compass. What we have done, take one point towards O and second point towards B, and then draw the line, make an arc such that it touches the number line, and wherever it touches the number line, that is our root 2. That is our root 2. I hope you have got this question. If you have any doubts, you can comment into the comment section of this video, and please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Thank you and have a good day.